What's up, guys? It's Double Nicks, and welcome to another review of an IPO for Mach Natural Resources LP, which will be trading under ticker symbol MNR, Mike November Romeo, on the New York Stock Exchange, and will be IPOing on October 25th of 2023. So before we begin, ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you guys that if you want access to our private Discord, so you can get our pre-market picks early, link to join us in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, and just this past week, we actually called WBUY, which we also made an IPO video about, by the way. You can check that out in the channel. I might actually put it up in the video somewhere around here, either in the description or up above in the little recommendation thingy. I might do that. So we actually called it prior to its 177% run. We also called ICU, which went up 140%. So, I mean, look, if I went over every single runner that we, got this past week, we'd be here all day, all night, maybe for the next week. And yeah. So I just got to say, we're just made different. Just made different, ladies and gentlemen. The early bird gets the cash. You know how it goes. So we have also included a link to our membership website as well, which includes all of our incredible stock picks, as well as our, 380 to 400 episodes worth of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we use candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more, guys. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join the membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. Now, let's get right into this. So, Mach Natural Resources is an independent upstream oil and gas company focused on the acquisition, development, and production of oil, natural gas, and NGL reserves in the Anadarko Basin region of western Oklahoma, southern Kansas, and the panhandle of Texas. Now, through a series of acquisitions since their inception, they've accumulated an acreage position consisting of approximately 936,000 net acres, which is 99%, of which 99% is held by production, and over 2,000 identified horizontal drilling locations, of which more than 750 of these are located in the Oswego Formation, a prolific reservoir in northern central Oklahoma. They also own an extensive portfolio of complementary midstream assets that are integrated with their upstream operations. These assets include gathering systems, processing plants, and water infrastructure. Their midstream assets both enhance the value of their properties and generate third-party revenue. They also believe that the lower decline nature of their legacy producing assets and large inventory of horizontal drilling locations with average royalty burdens of less than 25%, coupled with their lower cash operating costs and owned midstream infrastructure, will support their ability to make cash distributions with their unit holders. Now, Mach Natural Resources LP was founded in the United States back in 2017 and operates in the oil and gas drilling industry with a whopping 397 employees. That's quite a bit. That's quite a bit there. Now, let's turn our attention to the IPO details, the nitty-gritty right here. So Mach Natural Resources is actually offering 10 million shares in its initial public offering. The IPO stock price range has been set between $19 to $21 per share, and with these numbers, the deal size is estimated to be around $200 million, and investors will have the opportunity to participate in the growth of and potential of MNR as it expands its operations and continues to innovate in the oil and gas drilling industry. Now, please note, ladies and gentlemen, we are not stock professionals. We are not stock advisors. We are not financial planners. This is just a show. Hey! Always do your own due diligence before purchasing anything in the stock market at all whatsoever. These are just my opinions. This is just the information I'm reading. you know how it is, right? Now, I personally, this is just my opinion, might not pre-buy this stock. However, I will be watching the price action on it closely. It's not a Chinese IPO, which tends to be the flavor of the day in the IPO world. And in my opinion as well, the price per share is too high for an IPO. I mean, this is like a company that's just coming to the stock market, right? $19 to $21 per share is a little bit high for, for an up-and-coming stock, in my opinion. But again, these are just my opinions. This is not stock advice, so you guys do your own due diligence. You do you. I do me. And that's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And as always, it's Double Nicks. I love you guys. I love you. You know I love you. And I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye.